Hi guys, in this very first video, I'm gonna share my planning steps to travel to Singapore for the first time. Hope this will help and give you guys some info, pictures and maybe some tips to save money for a happy trip and budget also. Please take note that I'm not a broke traveler, just a wonder. If you like to be prepared and get into details, then this is a video made for you. First of all, of course, you need a valid passport, which is more than 6 months from your planned stay to avoid getting into trouble from immigrant departments at Vietnam and Singapore. Second, to enter Singapore, you have to submit Singapore arrival card online 2 or 3 days with each arrival day. If you travel as a couple or group of 2 persons, you can submit group submission for both or submit individual submission for each person. It depends on you. Third, bring documents proof to support your purpose of travel as flight ticket with return day, hotel booking, itinerary, maybe some means of financial as cash or credit card with you just in case. If you prepare well at the travel requirements, I believe it won't be so hard at the immigration part. Just need to be confident and respectful. Answer accordingly question from immigration officer, then you're good to go. The question is, where to next? According to my airline ticket, I'm gonna be at a Terminal 4. As following, I simulate the way from Terminal 4 to Terminal 1. Now there are 4 terminals at Changi and a special place named Jewel. So you can transfer easily between these both terminals by 3 shuttle buses. When the plane has landing, you would be at the heart of the L1M of Terminal 4. Just go straight ahead, then you see a direction board look like this, and then go down by the escalator on the left side. Go straight to the immigration area if you already submitted a Singapore arrival card. If you haven't submitted an arrival card yet, you still can do at the lobby. Finish the immigration procedure, heading to the baggage area in case you have one. Before landing, the flight attendant may remind the passengers the unloaded line number. If not, just take note of your flight number and the bell number, then find the right line on the screen. After taking the baggage, then get out by this way and come to this counter. There is where you pick up the SIM card that at Terminal 4 from Klook. To get and activate SIM card, you need to show your passport to the staff, then ask them for the activating instruction. Or as an introvert, just watch my simulation to activate SIM card later in this video. Go straight ahead to the waiting shuttle bus area, which will look like this. The shuttle bus from Terminal 4 arrival hall opposite clinic will drive you to the Terminal 1 Demetro Hall, Engine 3. Now you are at the level 2 of Terminal 1. Go through the Engine 3 and get the elevators to the level 1. Now you're at the entrance of Jewel also. There is where you pick up the SIM card at Terminal 1 if you choose on the Klook website. Some people pick up the SIM card here and some people pick up here even though they send book on Klook web. I don't know the reason. If you know the answer, tell me in the comment please. In case you get on the shuttle bus look like this, then you'll be at the Terminal 3 instead. Just chill out. There's still a way to get to the tour and Terminal 1 is beside each other. You will see the cheers on the left and the Jewel gate is ahead. You can walk to the Jewel or use free SkyTrain to Terminal 1. When you walk to the Jewel, you're at the level 3 of Jewel. Take the elevator down to the level 2, then walk some steps. That's where you are at the entrance between Terminal 1 and Jewel.